In this video, I will demonstrate how to generate point of sale access PIN in Shopify. So first of all, make sure to be logged into your Shopify admin account and then click on settings. Then look for users and permissions. Then select the user for which you want to enable the PIN. In my case, I don't have any staff account, but I can enable it for myself as a store owner. So let me go ahead and click on Nick. And right here, you'll see the point of sale access section. So now go ahead and simply generate a random PIN. And once it's generated, you can take a note of it. In my case is 3414, and then save it. So right now, once the PIN has been generated, you should be able to log into point of sale access app on your mobile device and log in with the new PIN. So I hope you found this short tip useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.